All right, so this is my brother Eric. This is his first time in a video. You bastard in my camera. You scare yourself at Walmart? I do.
Oh, when I'm catching out?
When I look up at the thing, yeah.
There's David and Eric. Gotta go catch up with them now. I finally got my bags packed back up. I don't want anything getting wet.
Oh, we're at Foster Reservoir in Sweet Home, Oregon. It went from what, 3 days ago being 73 to being 90?
So which way are we gonna go?
I guess, I don't know, that way. Ah! It's supposed to keep the water away, but it's also a cup which retains it to dump it on you.
Oh, well, I'm gonna hope to get out, get swimming.
Oh, I'll have to jump in before it's over.
Yeah, accidentally whoop. There we go.
Ah.
You see it? That kid's right there in that little floaty behind the boat. Get the kids out of your boat, huh?
Yeah. Yeah. Say it again. Say it again. You'll be riding behind the boat. Pat had his ball. We're sitting over there in the water with our chairs. And he kept trying to get this lady to play with him. She didn't want to play with him for nothing. He kept going dropping the ball over. Come on, come on. She just ignored him. Totally ignored him.
Didn't do it, huh?
No.
It was like trying to give it to a statue.
Yeah. I hear you sneaking up behind me. Well, you don't want to fill the van up.
No. $150 to fill that.
The most, I think, last time it was 100.
More than 150.
Last time it was like 110. Or maybe it's, isn't it?
22.
Was it 122?
That was a long time ago.
Thank you, Brandon.
Yeah.
There's no rapids here.
Woo!
Cold?
It's chilly. Now I was thinking about trying the river, but once we came up, I seen the levels of the rivers. There's.
That's why I was like, I'm not in a hurry. It is nice out here. I'm not worried, Susan. There's no rapids here.
Oh, I don't need this.
Hold on, get me closer. Oh shit, you guys. Whoa, 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 whoa.
No, I see it. Look at it. Ah! Woo!
What the heck?
That one was pretty big.
So big it pushed me backwards.
Ah, urge. I got a little slap.
I like this. This is good though. This is fun. This is fun as going down the river, really.
Lakes and stuff don't really spook me that much, but I don't like the Willamette River really that much.
The river water?
Yeah, like if it's big.
Rapids and stuff?
No. If it's big like the Willamette. Just big bodies of moving water.
Oh, moving, yeah.
Yeah. They kind of.
I like this.
They kind of spook me a little.
Yeah.
Like that when we float that either the Lucky Mute or the other side, the Santiam. Once we get to the Willamette, we got to go to Buena Vista. I hate that part. I'm thinking about going down to Independence and just paddling around too.
Well, that's rapid though.
No, I'd like to paddle around and see if we can get back up under the bridge into like the canal and stuff where we used to fish and everything.
So I did. Hey, all these boats are coming towards us. Ah.
They're coming straight to numbers. I was thinking about going that way, see like maybe up that little creek a little bit.
This water reminds me of that where we get out, remember? Lucky Meat or something?
Yeah. Oh yeah, there's the logs. Let's go back the other way. It's nice and calm back here though.
Shady.
Soon just sit in the shade. Oh. You know what I think? I think somebody got hit by a boat.
Oh.
It seemed like once I started looking down, I'm like, oh, I think I remember somebody get hit by a boat out here. And that stops the boat from going in. Was there a kid that got hit out here?
Someone drove right through the swim.
Yeah.
I don't know if it was here, but I heard.
Somewhere.
Okay, so I've never seen one of these, but I think it's really awesome. But this little border around the swimming area will stop a boat from whipping in there and running the kids and the people over. Very clever. Kind of like the divider on the highway that stops the cars from.
Oh, I get what, yeah, okay.
Not sure they aren't already.
They each got their own cooler.
They all got coolers.
Hi.
I guess if you were camped.
That's big.
Aw, aren't you sweet? My dog's too old for that.
Sometimes you're both sitting and hanging out.
I'll load mine up.